This is a dead cicada. It's a dead cicada. Got wings and shit. It can fly and shit. It's a dead cicada. See the eyeballs in the front? It's got wings and shit. They're the crazy creatures that climb up trees at night that make the obnoxious noises when you're trying to sleep, like the loudest noise you ever heard. They rub their wings together to do it. They're called cicadas. This is in the larva stage. It actually hatches into something different. But anyways, it's like a beetle. It becomes, at first it's a grub. It's like a worm, like a maggot, a small maggot. And then it develops into this beetle. It's the larva stage. It goes into a larva stage, what they call, and then it turns into this beetle with wings. And then that's its lifespan. It's not very long. It's only about, I don't know, maybe 6 months, if that. It's probably summertime. Anyways, this is a dead one. And I put it down here with its belly up. Here's the belly. The belly. And look at the ants are all about eating it, dude. The ants were like, dude, that is free fucking food, bro. Look at that one ant. He's going at the corpse. He eats dead people. I eat dead people. You must be hungry because you're eating a dead bug. That's awesome. I make Naked and Afraid look like child's play. All right, peace out.